Kubor Kabatisi TV.
Lawan Rashapi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go batamai ka bas bat bidor.
Ka Sorkar Jilla kalong kapla penkre ban yadai ka jing M jigi patba lada ja ba ka jing pang COVID khat kendai. Kasar ya ka jilla bro ka wei ha ka ni kenti ka ar. Menteri juga nat ka kwet khia uba elhek habe kran bikila pathai ka bor ha ka khalai tri unai wek arajar arpho. Ula kentui ki patba bagi dewan yai buat renti bet ya ki jing betha bala penjari da ka sorkar ling ba katnat ka kwet khia. Kadang ban yada na ka jing sapriang jong khyang jing pang corona ha ka jilla. Ha ka juk por roi thu ru pa sorkar pedeng kalong ka balak loi ban Beijing rapisa sha ka jilla. Nak benta ban yada ya ka jing sapriang jong ni khyang jing pang ha ka jilla Hakari India, but Hakaperthai broke away.
That's going to be over now. Don't take that is going to be over. Any time, anything can happen. So, but only we are praying to God there will not be a massacre happening in the state. That's why we went to Delhi also to meet the Union Minister to get the financial help from the government of India. Then the additional funding will be given sanction for the state of Meghalaya for the COVID-19. We are expecting anytime can happen. That's why we have to be very careful and also follow the protocol of the health department.
How is the government going to see? Because now government started lifting its assistance. Looks like the assisting now, before it was free, now people have to pay. How is government going to
see, I'm telling you, we cannot survive all the time to give free. Government also has a limited resources. So with the limited resources, we have to run the government. And anybody who is also referred by the doctor, that also we are giving free. Those only who are willingly who are going to go for testing, they have to pay. Otherwise, all been taken care by the government.